Wow, we are live via Temper Crypto TV. Welcome back on a Friday evening. Welcome back. Empire Crypto TV is live now. What you have to do, just invite your friends, just click that button, invite your friends, invite your teams, invite your neighbors, invite everyone. Tell them Empire Crypto TV is live here. We all about bringing you blockchain solutions, cryptocurrencies, trading and investing. We've got all the answers that you're looking for in the crypto space. So yeah, make sure that you are here till the end. We have got one of the best topic today to discuss, to crunch about. So yeah, make sure that you invite everyone. Tell everyone that Empire Crypto TV is live here. Crypto Cindy, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, Crypto King?
Welcome back on a Friday evening.
Yes. We are feeling very welcomed. And unfortunately, we are not very happy today. And the main reason for that is because we will not be live tomorrow and on Sunday. But we're definitely happy in terms of knowing that our cryptocurrency does not rest. So even though we will not be broadcasting during the weekend, but the crypto market does not have a weekend, never has a holiday. So yes, we will not be together, but our money will still be working for us. So on Monday, we will pick up from where we left, but our money will be going on and on and on every single day.
So today's our last day of the week. Tomorrow is a weekend, Saturday and Sunday. We're not live, but we are live every day, 7 p.m. And even if you go to our YouTube channel, you can watch the videos, even if we are not live. But there's so many videos, there's so much happening on our YouTube channel that you can actually learn from. Just take your time with your data, go through the whole day. You can watch all those videos that we post every day. All right, Crypto Cindy, what was the discussion yesterday? What did we talk about yesterday?
Okay. So yesterday we were talking about Bitcoin and the Shiba Inu making waves this week. So we're just looking into what was causing that, what was going on, why was everybody talking about Shiba and the Bitcoin and celebrating this week. So we're just explaining the smiles that we were getting from everyone, what was going on.
Tell me, is Shiba still doing wonders even today? What's happening? Is it going down now or is still holding on?
It actually went down a bit from yesterday, but it is still holding on.
Yeah, I see. In the past 24 hours, it has gone up by a percent or so, but it's still
Mm.
on. I mean, the last 27 days is still 250% up. So yeah, look, it's still doing wonders in the space. But I see all the also the Dodge isn't really far. It's still also following up. All right, Crypto Cindy, what's the discussion of the day? What are we talking about today?
Okay, so today we'll be talking about can anyone own crypto and why should anyone actually own crypto? And then we are also going to be looking at the young people who have actually made millions in the crypto space. We'll be talking about people who are under the age of 20 who have made millions in the crypto space. So we'll just be showing them off and seeing what they did so that we can also improve our skills in the crypto space.
Great stuff. Welcome, Empire Crypto Fam. Welcome to this live broadcast. And for us to engage with one another, please go on to our comment section, introduce yourself, tell us where you're watching this live broadcast from, tell us your city, your area, your province, even your country. Some people here are not from South Africa. We live all over the world. We've got, I believe, we've got people from Brazil. I believe we've got people from Botswana, from Lesotho, from Nigeria, from Kenya, all over the world. We are live here. We're talking about blockchain solutions, cryptocurrencies. We want you to be the best trader in the space. We want you to make millions investing in the cryptocurrency market. So, yeah, invite others now. Tell them we are live here. We are live. All right, let's go straight into the discussion. What are we discussing today? Okay, all right. Today we're discussing cryptocurrency, which is cryptocurrency. Um, Cryptocurrency is a hot buzzword of the investing world, especially these days. But what is cryptocurrency really? Cryptocurrencies are trending everywhere, everywhere you look. Hardly anyone is held back from considering investing money in the cryptocurrency space. Many people decided that they could even get a loan to spend it on cryptocurrencies. However, the most significant thing is not only about buying and selling crypto. The most important part is the emergence of a new process that was later called mining, crypto mining. Students under 20 also did not steer clear from the modern trend to earn money fast using cryptocurrency. They focused on business growth and development so much that they needed help with starting. Thus, young miners usually tend to search such requests as who can write my essay for me to balance new jobs and education. Many students benefit from such additional help because they get this possibility to maintain a good level of academic performance as well as raise funds. But the $1 million question is who should invest in cryptocurrencies? What is the right age to enter into the crypto space? Mm, Crypto Cindy,
Yes,
where do we
Crypto King.
get the word cryptocurrency from anyway? Can you explain the word cryptocurrency to our viewers? Some of them they're still new in this space, so want to educate everyone, want to bring everyone to this level. So go deeper into the word cryptocurrency.
I'm actually one of the people that never actually took time to find out what the word cryptocurrency is. So we just took whatever understanding, whatever we heard from people, then we started thinking cryptocurrency just means Bitcoin. So today I'm very glad that we are now going back to the basics to find out exactly what the word Bitcoin comes from, or what not Bitcoin, but cryptocurrency comes from, and what it is. So basically, it's just a word that comes from cryptography, which basically just means the art of writing or solving codes. Now, this sounds like a setup of an Indiana Jones movie. So each coin of the cryptocurrency is a unique line of code. Now, the cryptocurrencies cannot be copied, as we're always saying, which means that it may actually make easy to track and actually to identify what is going on. So it just means that it's basically goes back to the word coding. So it just means that it's something to do with coding, something to do with electronics, something to do with the internet, as we people say. So it's internet money. So this is something to do with crypto. We know that once we hear the word cryptocurrency, we will now remember cryptography. We will now be thinking it is solving codes.
I've been in the financial space since 2009, and I've seen a lot of markets come and go. And of course, I'll say many a times if there is a new industry, a new market, or a new project, um, it's actually first there are selected people or selected institutions that go in first, that are allowed first, that can actually take part first before the mainstream of before the general public can partake into that project. But it's different, looks like it's different with the cryptocurrency market. I mean, everyone is allowed to come into this space. Everyone has got an equal opportunity to really look into this space and invest whatever you're doing in this space. But everyone, this is an equal opportunity. To you, Crypto Cindy, why should everyone own some cryptocurrencies?
Okay, now let us remember, as we're always saying, what we're also discussing yesterday is that the crypto market is still at its infancy stage. So now coming into this era right now is one of the best thing that anyone can actually do for themselves. That's one very good thing that we must all remember. It is still very much new. Now you coming in now, you'll be getting it at the lowest price possible. It's basically highly impossible that the prices that we see today other prices that we'll be seeing in the next 5 years or in the next 3 years. So we don't want people regretting in future for not actually taking part now. So taking part now basically means you are one of the first people to come into the crypto space, and you will not regret it. And now another reason, other just basic reasons why everybody needs to have crypto in their portfolios is it's basically because we've been seeing it a lot in most countries, whereby we're seeing that it's actually becoming a mainstream adoption. So there's so many people, so many companies adopting the crypto space, coming into the crypto space. We've been seeing people calling themselves whales these days. So we've got crypto whales coming in heavily into the crypto space. Now, who would want to be left behind? We've also seen that it's now minimizing the trust in the governments and institutions, because now we've heard that there's so many government involvements trying to find out how they can actually legalize crypto in their countries. And another thing is because cryptocurrency is just a hedge. Now, cryptocurrency, exactly like the stock market, yes, we know it's got its highs and lows, but these are the kind of institutions or kind of investments that we should take note of. And now it is also a very huge asset. Now, having a crypto now, as what the crypto king is always telling us on a daily basis, is that now, if you the best time for us to get crypto was back when Bitcoin started, but the next best time is now. These are assets, these are not liabilities, these are not like the fast car that we are running to buy and then months down the line we cannot afford. Now, this is an asset, exactly like a house. This will actually be growing for us. It is a very good investment.
Christoph, we all had, I mean, especially during the internet days, .com days, way back in 1990s towards 2000s. Um, .com, there was so much rush. There was so much, people talking about that era, people talking about .com, internet boom and stuff. We all have probably heard of people making millions also in the cryptocurrency space. It feels like a modern day gold rush all of a sudden. Let's talk about crypto millionaires below the age of 20. Let us mention them. Are there crypto millionaires who are making money who are below the age of 20? I know we've mentioned, especially on Wednesdays, we've got a lifestyle crypto show where we
Yes.
showcase people who are making money, especially closer to home in Africa, in South Africa, roundabout. Of course, we're going to expand everywhere. But let's talk about the youngsters who are actually making it happen in this space.
Okay. So the youngsters who are making waves in the crypto space, first one we've got there, his name is Eric Finman. Now we know him. He's one famous guy. He's actually been said to be a self-proclaimed millionaire. He's been going on and wanting to tell people how he actually made money in the crypto space. Now he actually became, he's a crypto miner, he's a Bitcoin miner. So he made his first million at the age of 19. He became a millionaire just because of being a miner in the crypto space. Okay, and then we have got Jared Kenner. Now, he also became a millionaire when Bitcoin was actually just worth 2 cents. When Bitcoin just crossed over before it became $1. When it became 2 cents, this guy became a millionaire. Imagine. So you can see just that he's one of the people that got into the Bitcoin space when it was still very, 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 very much less. I did not know about Bitcoin at this time. The only time when I was introduced in Bitcoin, I think one was around 2.6. Yeah, it was 2,600 each. And now this guy became a millionaire even before I was introduced in the Bitcoin space. Imagine that. So currently, right
Hmm.
now, just yes, he's taking his money, he's using his money, but he still has so much Bitcoin left. Now it's said that his fortune basically now exceeds 30 million US dollars. Imagine that.
Just by investing in the current
Just by
space, he was the
investing
early
in the crypto.
adopter. Hmm.
Yes, he was one of
Okay.
the early adopters. And then we have got Charlie Shrem. Now he started his career as working in a company, and then the company it was one of the first companies that was accepting Bitcoin as a payment. Now at the time, it said that the coin was just around $3, $4. So he started collecting by then. So you see, these are people that actually had a vision. They saw what was coming before most of us. So he then also started by taking this Bitcoin, investing in this Bitcoin, and imagine just from $3 in South African rands, that is about, how much is that? It's like 3 times 15, 45 rands. So when each was like 45 rands, he started collecting, and we all know, we can just take a wild guess of how his finances look currently right now. And then we have got him. Now his name is Yafu Gao. Now he's also a student, also became a Bitcoin miner. Now, he actually founded a company that is selling a unique product. Bitcoin miner was just also to grow the price. So he also took initiative to collect the Bitcoin, to mine the Bitcoin, and he actually managed to earn around $5 million just like that because of early adoption. And then we've got Fitzwall. Yes, Fitzwall looks more like us. So I'm very happy when I see someone who looks like us also being counted as early adopters, unlike us. So his name is Fitzhall. Now he's now currently 26 years old. He has earned his first million during the first year of being in the crypto business. So exactly like what we've been saying and hearing from people who coming into the show as crypto millionaires, it has no time frame. So he was introduced into Bitcoin. He started being involved. Within a year, he made his first million, which is very, very good. So we can just see today he is smiling. He is a multimillionaire and he's very successful. And then there's a guy called Mr. Smith who doesn't want to be identified, who is just in the shadows, doesn't want people seeing their face. Now, that guy is also collecting crypto, collecting Bitcoin, and it said that that person has made more than 25 million through just Bitcoin trading. So imagine that. So when we all dancing and celebrating that Bitcoin is making waves and just making people multimillionaires, these people are smiling even harder than us. I'm sure they're even dancing harder than us. And then someone representing the ladies, there we are. So we have got Elisa Dadiani. Now you can just see her face. She is representing us not only for Lux or for beauty products, but she is representing us in the crypto space. So that's a very good one. So she is also said to be a new face in crypto mining. She's also an artist. She became a millionaire just by merely suggesting that Bitcoin can be accepted as an exchange for luxury goods. Now she works to grow the confidence in Bitcoin and to expand the way of a high end society can use it. So these are the people that have made millions in crypto at a tender age of being below 20.
All right, no, Christoph. All right, Christoph. Yes, yesterday we had sort of competition, if not a competition as such, because we're just giving away some shibas to people. Those that I haven't contacted, I contacted a lot of people, but those that I didn't contact, you can actually contact me on this number. Can WhatsApp this number. One of our contact in the business at Empire Crypto TV is going to talk to you. So those who were not contacted to claim their Shiba Inus yesterday, please contact this number. Then someone is going to help you, assist you to get your address and then send the Shibas to your account. Just like that. But of course, how did they get these Shibas yesterday, Cindy? Can you actually explain to us?
Okay, so now the Shibas, the people that won the Shibas yesterday, which anyone can also do today in order to win the Shiba coins, the only thing you need to do is you just need to go to our YouTube page and find Empire Crypto TV. And then just from there, click on subscribe. After you subscribe, you can just write on the comments that you have subscribed. It is that easy. Then automatically you are one of the winners and we will definitely be sending you your Shiba Inu coins.
So can we still give them today? Can if they subscribe, can we still give more Shiba Inu coins today?
Absolutely, absolutely. Even today, if anyone subscribes today, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Empire Crypto TV, and then you will definitely be getting the Shiba Inus. But make sure that you write also below this video that you have subscribed.
All right. No, great stuff. Great stuff. That's good. That's easy. Easy money. I mean, it's easy money. Airdrops. These are airdrops. When we hear about airdrops, this is what we call airdrops. Easy money. Just
Yes.
go on YouTube channel, press subscribe, and then come here, write subscribe, and then we got 100,000 worth of 100,000 Shiba Inus. So yeah, easy money, easy money. And it's not easy money, easy go, because this money is easy money, easy rise, easy profit.
Yes. Easy grow. Easy
Imagine
wealth.
last time we gave away so many shivers, and this time, I mean, there's so much. They're worth so much money at this current price.
Yes, I don't think anyone would actually want to miss this opportunity. So just make sure that the only thing you need to do, go to your YouTube channel, to our YouTube channel, Empire Crypto TV, and subscribe. Subscribe. By subscribing, it does not mean that you'll be paying any monthly fees. It does not mean we are taking your data. It does not mean we'll be asking you for your banking details and taking money from you. It just simply means that you are actually acknowledging that you like this organization, and it also benefits you in a sense that anytime when we are live and you are not aware, you can actually access our videos and watch it. And remember what happened this week. Remember Crypto King, when we thought the world was coming to an end and Facebook was not working? But guess what? We were live on YouTube. So that is also the advantage of subscribing, is because should anything happen to all the other platforms, if you have subscribed on YouTube, you will not miss a show.
All right, no good stuff. Let's continue the discussion. I've got a problem with the sort of presentation that you gave us. You said you mentioned a lot of people who got millions who are under 20 all over the world. But I hardly see people from our nation, people from Africa, people from southern region, people from in the African, I mean, continent. There are not so many of them. What exactly is happening with our kids? What are we teaching our kids? What exactly are we, the education is introducing our kids to? We see other nations, I mean, taking this first hand. um, Imagine a 20-year-old is already a millionaire just by investing in the crypto space. And of course, in Africa, a 40-year-old, a 50-year-old is still doubtful about the cryptocurrency market. Do you think our kids stand a chance? Why are not they in the list that you just mentioned?
Okay. So basically, what is still happening, especially in our African countries, is that currently we don't discuss finances with our parents in most cases. So what happens is that your parents would have credit cards, and your parents, not even your parents, but everyone around you will tell you that when you grow up you start living in debt. So those are some of the things that are installed in us. As we grow, we do not want to become financially independent. All we think about is, I need to go to school and get a job and get into debt. So that is like a pattern that we've been taught. That is something that's been installed in our minds. So the best thing to do is, if we can start changing the mindset of our kids, which is something we've always been discussing on the show, whereby we're always saying that as much as we are teaching the adults, let's also educate our children about money. Now, if our kids are introduced to money at an early age, now we will not be seeing people on I blew it, because now when people get the wealth, when they get the money, the first thing they do is, let me feed my friends, let me do a show off and stuff, because they are not introduced to money correctly. So now, since the crypto space is still at its infancy stage, what we can do is we can start teaching our kids about money and about the crypto space. So now we are teaching our kids to make their own money. So our kids will not be depending on getting into debt, because now they'll be financially free. And we're also teaching them that once you have those finances, now how can you better your community and those around you? So those are such problems that we're still facing in Africa, whereby should there be a pandemic or anything that's going on in Africa, what do? We look for handouts. We now need to depend on countries from abroad to bail us out, mainly because we are not taught about there are so much resources in Africa. You know, Africa is the most resourceful continent in the whole wild world. But because we do not know our worth, this is the reason why we're in so much debt. Now, this is exactly what's going to happen to our kids if we don't teach them about the crypto space, if we don't introduce them early. This is the reason why there are no kids who we are seeing currently on that list that I showed now.
All right. What's the secret of success? I mean, it seems like someone would ask there and say, is there a formula? Is there a secret? Is there a trend that they must follow in order for them to be successful in the crypto space? What's the secret behind those guys who are becoming millionaires in the crypto space? What exactly are they doing that is right and then others are not doing?
Okay, so the secret mainly behind the success in earning in the crypto space differs by person to person. So the first thing we've always been saying is that remember there are people who are in the crypto space for long term. Now there are also people in the crypto space who are just wanting to come in, take whatever they can get and run away. So those are also some of the reasons why it actually has to differ in terms of routine you are going to follow. Now some people just rely on their intuition when it comes to trading into the crypto space. Some people come with financial backgrounds and knowledge. Others just genuinely believe that the crypto space is the future, like us. And now we see no other way to invest but the crypto space. And then there are also others that see that since others are into the crypto space, why am I not there? So it's just four more people coming in. So it's all about believing in yourself and doing your own research. Do your own research. What works for me might not work for you. Now, there are people who are mining, it works for them, good for them. There are people who are buying and holding, good for them. There are people who are stacking, good for them. So, in the crypto space, it's all about finding what you are comfortable and happy with and then going for it wholeheartedly.
This is an open market. I mean, everyone is allowed to partake. But how can I open a crypto account for my child? I mean, maybe my child is 10 years, is 15 years, or 20 years. Are they allowed to also get involved and start making it happen in this market? I'm getting jealous of those people or those guys that you listed, and they are already millionaires below the age of 20. How can we get involved in Africa as a nation, our kids? How can you introduce them to this phenomenal revolution that's happening around us?
Okay, now currently in South Africa, I was just searching today. It just seems as if we are unable to open wallets for our kids. Now, the only way that you can open a wallet from your kid is you will open that wallet in your name using your details for the know your customer. So you'll send your details, you send your proof of address, and you'll open that account, and then you will just dedicate it to your kids. But you cannot open the wallet in South Africa using your kids' details because they will need a copy of your ID, and you cannot take your child's birth certificate if the child is below 18.
Oh, okay. All right. So I can open the wallet and then let it be run by the kids, or it will be for the kids.
Yes, it can be for the kids, run by you.
All right. Does cryptocurrency investing have a gender problem? Are males and females both allowed to invest, or is a certain gender? I mean, are the of course, I'm a male, and I know a lot of males who are investing in the cryptocurrency market. Do you also on your side have so many females who are investing in the cryptocurrency space? Are they also getting involved? Is there a gender balance on this market?
Unfortunately, I think we've also just seen that on the pictures that I showed today. It is more men investing in the crypto space than women, unfortunately. Now, unfortunately, we're seeing more men are investing. not only in the crypto space, but just in investments. So in other investments, investments like ETF, mutual funds, and real estate, there are more men than women. So that trend has actually now also crossed over to the crypto space, whereby we're seeing that out of if there's a 16% of men participating in the crypto space, it will only be 7% who are actually women in that. So, unfortunately, I'm not sure exactly why the women are slacking in that field, because one thing for sure, women are supposed to be faster than men.
Yeah,
Women are
especially when it
supposed to
comes
be
to
faster
shopping.
than men.
When it comes to shopping, women are always in the forefront. I mean, they always like spot trends and stuff. But why are they lagging behind when it comes to investing, as you are mentioning now? What's your problem, guys?
You know what? These people, they just want me to cross genders and run away now because they are disappointing me. We always fighting for women to get into things. We always saying that they must be 50-50 when it comes to parliament, when it comes to work, when it comes to so many things. But when it comes to investing, we are the ones who are slacking behind. Oh, but you
Yeah,
know what?
look.
I
mm,
think this will actually change in future. There are so many independent kids who are being raised by independent women. So I think in the future, this will actually be balancing.
Yeah, look, we can still cross over. We can still do transgender or something. It's still possible. Anything is possible in this world, especially these days. Anything is possible. So yeah,
Yes, anything is
welcome,
possible.
welcome into the space. All right. But how many crypto investors are women? Do you have any figure or something? Any official figure from maybe official sources?
Okay, so from Robinhood's crypto investment, they've actually said that a quarter of their investors are women. So imagine a quarter, that is 1/4, which means 3/4 are men. So we just 25%, 25% according to them are women. And according to CNBC research also shows that a double of men and one of women. So according to them, it's like a third. It's like 1/3 are women and 2/3 are men who are actually investing in the crypto space.
We are live here at Temper Crypto TV. We're sharing with you these news, the trends, hot news as they happen in the crypto space. Everything that's happening around the globe, we share with you here on Empire Crypto TV. Make sure that you subscribe on our YouTube channel so that you don't miss these live shows that happens every day, 7 p.m. What are the breaking news, Crypto Cindy? What's
Okay,
happening around
so
the globe?
on the breaking news today, we are going all the way back to where we are always going in the US. So again, we have gone to the US and we see that the US wants to regulate stable coins first. Now, this is actually a very good sign, just to state that at least they are now walking towards the crypto space, because we have seen them backing off. So, by them saying they were going to be starting by regulating the stable coins, is just a good sign and a thumbs up for the crypto space. Now, this we know that it's still in the pipelines. They just want to test and see if everything is okay. So they'll be integrating stable coins into their banking sector, just to see if, how will things be going, and is there going to be a good progress and stuff. And then from there, we are still crossing fingers, crossing our toes and everything, trying to actually get them to regulate all the cryptocurrencies, and not only just say, because now we have regulated the stable coins and nothing else. So it's actually a very good sign. Once we see one thumbs up in the crypto space, we always celebrate.
All right, those are good news. And look, it depends how you look at them, how you look at it. But anything that has to do with a regulation, I would say is good. But of course, there are mixed feelings, there are mixed emotions. People are not on the same page. Some want this industry to be regulated because it will now bring the masses into the space. People are skeptical, but those who are actually have money, if this industry get regulated, the masses, big institutions will come on board. But some they say, you know what, no regulation is allowed on this space because we want to run it privately, we want to run it parallel, we want to run it without the government intervention. So yeah, look, it's a mixed feelings. People
Yes.
are on the opposite direction. All right, Christoph, what do we have on the markets? What do we have on the markets? All right, we see Bitcoin is still holding on to 54,000 US dollars. Ethereum, Ethereum is a winner today, I would say. It has really crossed the 3.6,
Yes.
3,000. It's around 3,600. It's moving up. I mean, it's a winner. It's really a winner. Um, we see the whole market is really green. Nothing, nothing is a problem here. Shiba Inu still moving up 16%.
16.
Matic Polygon also, it has done good in the past 24 hours. I remember
Yes.
yesterday it was a $1.28. Was it yesterday? Hey,
Yes, it
it was
was yesterday.
$1.28. Today is $1.37, which is
Yes.
good, good, good. The market is still holding on. There's nothing to fear. There's nothing to be worried of. The market is still going on. All right. Anything from your side, Crypto Cindy?
No, nothing from my side. I would just like to say thank you to everyone who was actually with us tonight and making sure that you are spending your 1 hour on a Friday night with us and actually just to get educated in the crypto space. So thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe. This is the best way for you to actually remember that we are live because there's so much going on. So the best thing to do is to subscribe to our YouTube channel that is Empire Crypto TV. Make sure you subscribe so that every time we are live, you get a notification. And the best thing about it is, let's say you don't have data today or you can't watch us today, but if you have subscribed, you can always go back to the previous videos. If there's something you didn't understand, you can always go back, pause, write down. I'm always having a pen and paper. So if you like me, you can have your pen and paper, write down, pause, carry on writing, read after. So that is the best thing about subscribing. But we'll definitely be here again next week, Monday to Friday, 7 p.m., making sure that we are giving you crypto information which is worth millions.
All right. Great stuff. Have a fantastic weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Um, keep trading. Keep trading. Keep making money. Go all out there. Find some money. Come invest in the crypto space. It's the right thing to do. You won't be lost. It's one of the most recommended markets at the moment. I would not really take my money and invest in any other market at this point in time. Will Crypto Sind, will you do such? That's committing
No,
suicide.
not even suicide. That's, suicide is better because it's fast. This is like s- s- giving yourself slow poison. So you're dying slowly and very painfully.
Yeah. So this is the market, guys. This is cryptocurrency market. The most important thing that we have to do is research, learn as much as you can, find mentors that can actually give you the right information. Go onto YouTube and learn as much. Those videos are for you to learn and understand, be on the same level with the winners. All these people that we mentioned here who are millionaires or we have made millions, or all these people that we bring onto this platform every Wednesday and saying these are millionaires, these are crypto millionaires. They started from zero. They started down there, but they were determined to make it in this space. They went all out and research and do all the um information gathering until they started to see where they're going, until they started to see the direction. So now they all crypto millionaires. So you also can also become a crypto millionaire just by researching and learning every day. All right, great stuff. Good weekend. Let's meet again on Monday. Thank you so much.